How to buy Robux with a Visa gift card. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Type Roblox in the search bar and go to the official Roblox website. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and tap the coin icon. Choose the option to buy Robux. Pick how many Robux you want to buy. Then select debit card as your payment method. Now just fill in your Visa gift card detail. Tap Submit or Continue. And you're done. Subscribe to see more video like this.